Bells are ringing yet again at a Soulard church for the first time in 2 months. Last month, First Alert 4 told you about thieves stealing a bell from the historic South City Church. Well, First Alert 4's Dion Broxton shows us the new and improved church bell.
For roughly 2 months, something has been off about this church at 7th and Allen in Soulard. A longtime piece is finally back. This is surveillance footage of thieves taking a 173-year-old bell from Saints Peter and Paul in October.
And this bell was part of the first church at Saints Peter and Paul. The church was built in 1850. It was located in a vacant lot in South St. Louis.
Police later found the bell and brought it back to Father Bruce Foreman. But it had scratches and needed fresh coats of paint and primer. Father Foreman took it to a local welding company.
And he said, "I'll have it back to you by Christmas." Well, I've dealt with construction people before, and when they give you a date that they're going to have it, okay, I'll believe it when I see it.
Well, the company brought the bell back Saturday.
The workmanship is exquisite.
Foreman says the church paid $6,700 to repair the bell, but he says the company gave the church a discount.
So it was truly delivered before Christmas.
Foreman says it's unlikely the bell will be stolen again. He says the church installed more lighting and added more security cameras. In Soulard, Dion Broxton, First Alert 4.
Well, the pastor says that St. Louis police are still investigating. We checked in with police to see if anyone is in custody. We're still waiting to hear back.